Let's say you have a big design problem. Sometimes the solution is easy. We're Element Designs and we put doors on things. Like the look of open shelving, but tired of all the dusting? Put a door on it. Need to show off your extensive glassware collection? Put a door on it. Do you want to add an eye-catching design detail to a contemporary space? Put a door on it. Have an upper cabinet that's hard to reach and even harder to close? Put a door on it. Do you need to close off an area but have a limited amount of space? Put a door on it. Like modern design, but not crazy about a monochrome kitchen? I'm sorry, there's really nothing that can be done to solve that design problem. Just kidding. Put a door on it. How? Contact Element Designs for custom manufactured aluminum frame glass doors, integrated hinge doors, solid glass doors, as well as other modern caseware components and surfacing materials made right here in the USA. So do you want to easily increase the perceived value of your cabinetry? Then put a door on it.